How to install Canala TV series and movies app. So here it is. You can just double click to install it, and here is the app. Cinema and films in Spanish. Over 30,000 hours of series, soap, operas, live sports, music, and movies in Spanish. 100% free. Download Canal TV now and enjoy all the fun. Canal TV is a free television app in Spanish with a wide variety of content and entertainment for the entire family whenever you want. Live channels for the whole family. Original series such as Secretos de Villañas and all of that. And then there's music section, there's kids section. So, if you like Spanish content, that's the app for you. It has a lot of thousands of reviews, and then, you can just watch these movies and series. You can just tap on it. I guess it's only available from US, I guess. So that's just what it is. You can still register an account and that's how you get started.